Are predatory attorneys driving up the cost of housing and insurance? Probably not. Here's why. I got this flyer in the mail the other day. Evidently, they didn't realize who they were sending it to, but the important thing is it's not paid for by ratepayers. So I wonder who is paying to send these things out. First of all, it claims that billboard attorneys and hedge funds prey on victims of wildfire and it's driving up housing costs. Well, I'm not a billboard attorney and I certainly don't associate with hedge funds. But what I can tell you is this. Insurance companies are in it for profit. That's no surprise. That's just called capitalism. And if it makes sense for them to pay your claim after your house burns down, they'll do it. But if it means that it's going to eat into their profit and they can find a way to deny it or to reduce the payment on the claim and maybe not give you enough money to cover your hotel and your meal expenses and everything that you've lost in the fire and the cost of rebuilding your home, they're going to do that. I've seen it over and over again. I sue insurance companies all the time. And this is why they get sued, because they play these games. It is true that when an insurance company has to pay out a lot of claims and they lose money after a natural disaster, they do raise rates. But that's not because insurance companies are being honest and attorneys are just suing them for the hell of it just so they can get paid. The insurance companies are raising rates because they're losing money, they're losing their profit. The point is, when insurance companies refuse to pay your claim or they deny it outright, the legal system is the only way to hold them accountable. And without lawyers, that system doesn't work. What do you think? Post a comment and let me know.